How to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error. So, this error usually appears on Android phones, TVs, YouTube apps, but any kind of YouTube platform. So it means your device failed to load the video playback system that YouTube needs. So this usually happens when the device cannot load YouTube media codecs, DRM wideband files, app configuration files, or basically connection settings for video playback, which is the one of the main reasons. So to fix this, there isn't really much you can do directly in the YouTube platform itself. So you're gonna have to focus on your network, since network blocking video configuration can cause the error. So slow internet, VPN, or proxy or restricted Wi-Fi can block player config files. So make sure you fix this by trying different types of networks. Make sure your network connection is good, and you'll be able to notice that if you have better connection, this error will no longer pop out, since that is one of the most common reasons why this error pops out. If you are using YouTube in a device like as a app form, go ahead and try clearing its cache in these settings, since it could be because of corrupted files and whatnot. And finally, most of the time, all you have to do is refresh or restart the YouTube or reinstall the app if you are using YouTube from a device. So again, mainly focus on getting your connection fixed in YouTube or in your device, I mean. That way, it could potentially help you with avoiding this 153 error in YouTube. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.